Isn't the prospect of earning free Ethereum appealing? Of course, it must be fantastic. Everyone enjoys getting something for nothing. And when that something happens to be the second most valued cryptocurrency, it becomes even more appealing. This guide will go over everything you need to know about earning free Ethereum in 2022. Ethereum Overview. Ethereum provides everyone, regardless of their history or location, with open access to digital money and data-friendly services. Ether is the Ethereum platform's native coin. By market capitalization, it is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is one of the world's most widely utilized blockchains. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency transfer system that allows you to send cryptocurrency to anyone for a nominal charge. It allows everyone to utilize applications, and no one can take them down. This is the first programmable blockchain in the world. Ethereum is based on the Bitcoin concept, although there are several significant distinctions. Both allow you to use digital money without the usage of third-party payment services or banks. However, because Ethereum is programmable, you may use it to create a wide range of digital assets, including Bitcoin. As a result, Ethereum can be used for more than just payments. It's a platform for financial services, games, and apps that won't steal or restrict your information. How to earn free Ethereum in 2022? This video from The Breakdown is a great place to start learning how to earn free Ethereum in 2022. Ethereum Faucet. An Ethereum Faucet is a website or software that allows you to register your wallet address, answer a CAPTCHA, and be rewarded for doing so. Free Ethereum EO is an example of a program where you can make a decent amount of money in a short amount of time. These websites take advantage of the opportunity to increase their traffic and profits. Ethereum faucets typically have a lot of traffic, which allows them to advertise for larger companies. It's also a way to spread the news about such businesses, as well as Ethereum in general. In other words, they are rewarded for the work you perform for them. Ethereum faucets are a fair way to learn how trading works without the danger, albeit they don't always pay you enough to make a big profit. Surveys, CAPTCHAs, advertising, pop-ups, and other basic activities are among the chores that users must perform. The difficulty of the jobs will usually decide how much you earn, and each faucet pays differently. Whether it's Bitcoin Cash, ETH currency, or Satoshis, all faucets have one thing in common. They pay you very little. People use these faucets because they believe that over time, these fractions of free Ether coin will build into something solid. To utilize an Ethereum faucet, you'll need an Ethereum wallet, which will link to the faucet by entering your Ethereum wallet address. Most faucets have a minimum amount required before you may withdraw, and some even have a maximum amount. Ethereum Airdrop. The fundamental goal of a crypto airdrop is to raise awareness of a blockchain startup, initiative, or service. The team may bootstrap its project and ensure a fair distribution of tokens among its community from the start by issuing tokens to users. Furthermore, once the token begins trading on an exchange, recipients of these tokens are incentivized to raise awareness and help the project reach a larger audience. The greater the interest in the token, the more likely it will appreciate in value. Remote jobs. You can also earn Ethereum by employing your abilities and being compensated with free Ethereum. You can do a variety of online jobs for which you will be paid in Ethereum. Writing, bookkeeping, design, software engineering, and other remotely performed services can all be compensated for with Ethereum. To locate jobs that paid in cryptocurrency, try Crypto2Jobs, cryptojobless.com, or social media networks like Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and others. Crypto Bounties. This technique of earning free Ethereum is named after the bounties of the Wild West, and it motivates crypto community members to complete various tasks. Following the accomplishment of the required tasks, tokens are awarded. Bounty programs allow anyone to earn Ethereum for free. Participants assist firms with various marketing activities. This is normally done prior to the end of the token sale. Typically, a pool of tokens is set aside for bounties from various projects. with a percentage of that set aside for each sort of campaign. There are two ways they can split it up. One is the more traditional option, which is a fiat fee, in which a fixed sum is awarded for each activity stated. The second is a concept known as stakes, which has gotten a lot better and more popular in recent months. You'll be given stakes based on the quality and sort of job you've accomplished, as well as your rewards. Interest. The cost of borrowing anything, in this case Ether, is referred to as interest. You can convert your portfolio to an interest account if you're already trading. The term, staking and lending, is a bit of a mouthful. The crypto trading company with which you have an account can borrow money from you and reimburse it with a higher rate of interest, because you're rewarded for dedicating your coin to maintain the blockchain network. Staking creates cash. In this regard, staking and mining are similar. Miners devote processing power to the blockchain, while stakers devote coins. Both get more cryptocurrency as a result of their efforts. Not all cryptos can be staked, but we'll get to that later. Staking is a straightforward procedure. Look for a platform that allows for staking. Then decide how much and for how long you want to stake, and you got yourself some passive income, referrals. You can earn free Ethereum by introducing people to cryptocurrency websites if you're excellent at persuasion. Links are used in referral schemes to recruit new members. You get a share of what your friends or family trade on these sites when they sign up. You must be a member of the platform to which you are lending. Furthermore, you must have a significant sum of money in your account to stake. If you have both, you can request that a portion of your Ether be deposited into the company's account. The method entails accepting the terms set forth by the website. When the earned interest and original sum are reimbursed, a specific time frame is chosen. You can collaborate with a few crypto platforms to receive referral earnings. Ethereum hard forks. Ether hard forks and airdrops are commonly used interchangeably. However, there is a distinction to be made. You normally provide some social engagement with an airdrop, whereas with a hard fork, you simply retain the coin at the time of the split. In blockchain technology, a hard fork is a drastic change to the protocol that renders previously invalid blocks or transactions valid, or vice versa. This necessitates the updating of all nodes or users to the most recent version of the protocol software. To put it another way, if you have one ETH when a hard fork occurs, you will receive a duplicate of the new coin. Simply said, simply holding Ethereum earns you money. The most well-known Ether hard fork took place in July of 2016. Simply keep a watch on pertinent airdrop news, so as to know when a potentially valuable hard fork occurs. Ethereum mining. When it comes to mining, Ethereum is the most essential and profitable coin. When the Ethereum blockchain was launched in 2016, mining became available. Today, crypto mining is experiencing a comeback, thanks in large part to Ethereum. You may mine Ethereum for free using a PC, a wallet, and software. Miners, blockchain participants, carry out mining, which entails fact-checking transactions made within the network. Free coins are awarded to the first miner who successfully completes the check of a new block. The main problem is that mining computations are quite complex and large, necessitating the use of a computer. These numbers are solved by the machine using hashes. Depending on the level of competition and difficulty of mining on a specific crypto network, mining operations can also be highly capital intensive. This is because mining processes need a great deal of electricity, hardware, and software. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.